welcome back to my channel. I look like a potato, but you know, it's fine. And yeah, everything just, yeah, that's all I have to say. But in today's video, I'm going to do a very subtle pink Valentine's Day look, so you know you don't gotta look crazy. I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows first because they look tragic. And for the brow pencil, I'm using ColourPop in the shade light brown. I don't really like this pencil. It's a little too like waxy for my liking, to be honest. I don't really like the color either. But I'm gonna just outline my eyebrow. It literally looks like I did nothing, but I promise I did. And then I'm gonna take my Revolution pomade in the color Caramel Brown. I don't like this either, but that's all I got at the moment. And then I'm gonna take this It Cosmetics brow brush and fill in my eyebrows and hair in my mouth. I honestly need new brow products. I think that's what I'll go buy next week. Maybe this week. I don't know. But yeah. Honestly, this is as good as my eyebrows are gonna get. I'm still trying to perfect them. As you can see, it's not going very well. Anyways, the hair on my lip. Look. To set them, I'm gonna use my Mary Kay brow gel. It's just clear. And then I'm going to clean them up with some concealer. I love this Makeup Revolution concealer, honestly. I probably put way too much, but I'm gonna blend it out. I'm going to take this angled brush and go. To start, I'm going to take this Naked 2 light brown and this faint dark brown and put it in my crease. It's looking a little black, and I don't know why. That's a bummer. A Cosmetics palette. I'm gonna take Sunset and just add it to the crease. Warm it up a little bit. We got hella dark. I don't like it. Yeah, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna take more concealer. Now, I'm gonna take my Naked 3 palette because there's a bunch of pink shades and one shadow spot. So lovely. As I was saying, it has a bunch of pink shades. And I'm gonna take the shade Burnout. Actually, no, I'm gonna take the shade Buzz and Dust, which are the two. This is Buzz and Dust. Just gonna blend. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, now to add like a little bit more pink, because this, you could just do this and that'd be total, but like, I want to add a pop color. So I think I'm gonna take my electric palette and take this bright pink, put it like under my eyes and maybe in the inside. Or I also have my Take Me Back to Brazil Beach Cosmetics palette. And I have that pink color too. I think I'm gonna use the other one just because it's brighter, to be honest. I'm gonna take this little tiny brush. I don't like this in it. Personally, I don't like foundation, so I'm not gonna put any on. I'm gonna take this purple eyeliner and just put my waterline. Honestly, it could be better. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Happy Valentine's Day. Yeah. Goodbye.
Okay, it's rap packed to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cards and they all